you can go ahead and select the purple lock icon here at the bottom or right over here where it says charge for additional oil. And then you're going to go ahead and enable this field right here that says charge for additional oil. In this field, you're going to add the number of quarts that you would like to be included into this package price. This is the maximum amount of quarts that's going to be really discounted within this $49.99 package, and anything additional will be an additional fee. So in this example, I have it set to 5. So up to 5 quarts of oil is for $49.99, and anything above that is going to be charged additionally to the customer. Now I'm going to go ahead and click save just to show you guys now, once you update an existing SmartCan job, that this is how it will look. It'll continue being locked, but then it'll show you the maximum amount of quarts that is included into this package price. Now let's navigate to the job board and go to an RO, and I'm going to now add the can job I just created. In this example, you'll notice because it's a smart job, it automatically pulls the engine oil filter I have stocked for this vehicle. So if I quickly here on the RO sidebar, go to filters, and then I look for the oil filter, engine oil filter, you'll notice the Mighty filter here, the part number, and I have that also stocked in my inventory, so it automatically pulled there. And then for the oil, it's calling for 0W20. These are all the options I had set up in my smart job. I'm going to select the 0W20 since I clearly have that in stock. And once I add it, the SmartCan job is ready to go and it's been quoted for the customer. Here you'll notice that the subtotal is $68.09 rather than the $49.99 we set up. And that is because for this particular vehicle, this vehicle calls for 6.4 quarts of oil with the filter. Now, the $68.09 is really the $49.99 plus the additional fee that we're going to charge for the 1.45 additional quarts of oil. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the calculator just to show you guys. If I do 1.45 times the retail price for this, for the oil, which is $12.48, if I click enter and then go ahead and add the $49.99 original package price, we come to 68.09 if we want to round this decimal place, and that is what we have here. This is essentially the feature for surplus oil package pricing. If you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact our support team. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.